Yeah.
It's me, PlayStation Vita King. I just bought like 2 games and then 1 board game from Amazon.com. Let's get started with the unboxing of it. Let me open the switch now. Number 1 priority, safety first. If you like the PlayStation Vita King, which is me, make sure to subscribe. If you hate me, please make sure to unsubscribe. I am the PlayStation Vita King because PlayStation Vita is the best handle ever built. Even I will say Nintendo NX is going to suck compared to PlayStation Vita King. Not only that, Nintendo NX is going to save PlayStation Vita, to be honest with you. I mean, Nintendo NX is a new handle which is similar in power compared to the PlayStation Vita, which again, I mean, Sony do not have any handle, I mean, against Nintendo NX unless they are going to make a PlayStation Vita 2 or PlayStation Vita 1 3000 version with some new launch games. Let me open this one. So in this parcel I only order 1 Friday board game and then 2 PlayStation 4 games. Normally I own very few PlayStation 4 games, and then I really don't like to play PlayStation 4 games because I'm a person on go. So most of the time I personally play my games on PlayStation Vita because I travel a lot. I mean, between Hong Kong and Korea and then Rwanda. So this is the Friday board game. Can you see the Friday board game? This is a solo board game. I mean, if you like video games, if you like board games, make sure to get this Friday board game. This is the best Friday board game, I mean, ever. I mean, this is a solo adventure. And then you can here clearly see I ordered 2 games, the Metal Gear Phantom Pain. I love Ground Zero. I mean, I'm 100% sure I'm going to love this game. A lot of people compare, I mean, this game to GTA 5 due to the open world. If you don't know, GTA 5 and Metal Gear Ground Zero both get like 10 out of 10 score. I mean, the Phantom Pain is billion times better than a GTA 5. It's my personal opinion, take with a grain of salt. Now, The Last of Us. I didn't own a PlayStation 3 because I was an Xbox fanboy. I didn't know I was really Xbox fanboy. I just bought an Xbox. I mean, back in 2005, Xbox was launched. I mean, the original Xbox 360 was launched early than PlayStation 3. Even, I mean, the Xbox 360 was cheaper. I mean, I just bought it for $299 for the basic model. I mean, when PlayStation 3 was launched, it was launched at a $599 price point. So I skipped PlayStation 3. I mean, yes, I own a Nintendo Wii, which was one of the best console ever built. I mean, I really like Wii. I mean, that way, I mean, the gameplay, I mean, due to the motion control, I really love Wii. But after I sell my Wii, I was back into the Xbox 360, I mean, game again. So I skipped this game. I don't know how well is this game, but I heard a lot of good thing about this game. So this was my parcel from Amazon.com. So please let me know in the comment section below. Did you like to buy games from Amazon.com? Sometimes some games, I mean, Amazon screw you. I ordered a game, I mean, it's like a Cooper, I mean, from Amazon.com. The third version, I mean, the voucher for the third game was expired. I ordered this game from Amazon.com and then the voucher, the download voucher for a third game is expired. So Amazon refund me. I mean, you need to be, I mean, you to take, I mean, with a grain of salt. I mean, every information the seller is posting on Amazon.com because, I mean, there's nothing like 100% assurity on Amazon.com compared to eBay. I personally like buying video games for eBay. Even video games are sometimes expensive on eBay unless you're hunting for a deal. But I mean, this is my second time I bought from Amazon.com. I mean, yeah, that's what it. If you like me, make sure to click the like button.